What is up, folks? This is Jetson, and I'm here today to look at toys with you. Not that kind of toys, you fruitcakes. No dildos and whatnot. This is not Trisha Paytas' channel. No, I'm talking about actual toys. Someone gave me a toy to review. Yeah, and I know what you're thinking. They gave me a toy because I'm a giant child. You would be correct on that one. So what? Well, I'm just saying, it's good that they gave me a toy to review because it's getting a little native around here. People are going a little crazy. Locked in a house like this, fires are starting, doorknobs are disappearing, phones are falling apart. Most of those things are me, but still, shit's going down. It's getting a little crazy in this house. People are gonna get cut. So someone gave us a toy to review. It's this Syma S107H-E little helicopter. And I really like it. It's super easy to bring it down and slam into the back of people. It's really easy to control, and it's easy to tease the dogs with. Yeah. Right now my son has stolen it. But it's alright. I can share. I guess. I'm gonna tear up his computer if he doesn't give it back to me, I swear to God. He took the controller. So if this thing takes off in the middle of this whole shenanigan, you'll know it was him. But anyways, it's really neat. The battery life is kind of short because, well, it's a little compact little man. It flies super sweet. It's really, really level, and it's steady as shit. And it's creepily still. It's easy to fly. It's got a land and take off button, which I don't know if any of you have gotten a RC helicopter and you look at the controller and you're just like, what the fuck do I do with this? Yeah, this is not one of those. It's like one of those things you get for younger kids that, and I'm not talking about myself here. I'm kind of talking about myself here. But it's really for kids that want to learn how to do, learn how to play with helicopters, RC stuff, remote control stuff. Yeah, this is the kind of thing you get them. It's really fun. My kid's 13. My husband likes it too. I like it. And it's good for indoors. It's super sweet to control, so it's it's not very easy to run into things. Here, I'll show you. Me and my son, we shot some video, so let me show you.
I'm talking about balls deep. I'm talking about balls deep. I'm talking about balls deep in love. I'm talking about balls deep. I'm talking dry hump her positive traits. Give a pounding to her feelings. Make her south mouth salivate. Hey Tyra, are you listening? We're not talking just the tipping. Thank you, Scotty Pippen.
No problem. Just here dropping off an application. Players in my day didn't make as much as they do today.
Huh, sorry to hear that. Where was I?
I'm
talking about balls deep. We're talking about balls deep in love. I'm talking about balls deep.
My boy's talking about balls deep. We're talking about balls deep in love.
I'm talking about balls deep. I'm talking about balls deep. I'm talking about balls deep in love. I'm talking about balls deep. I'm talking dry hump her positive traits. Give a pounding to her feelings. Make her south mouth salivate. Hey Tyra, are you listening? We're not talking just the tipping. you started with me.
No problem. Just here dropping off an application. Players in my day didn't make as much as they do today.
Huh, sorry to hear that. Where was I?
You're
I'm talking about balls deep. We're talking about balls deep in love. I'm talking about balls deep.
My boy's talking about balls deep. We're talking about balls deep in love.
Wasn't that really neat? Super cool, right? Like I said, it's really easy to control. My only complaint is battery life. The size is really good for indoors since we can't do outdoors right now. I think it's awesome. Now, when we got the first one of these from Amazon, it didn't fly right. I don't know if they kicked around the box or what, but when we first started, it immediately ran into some shit. But we ordered a second one because the first one was busted, and the second one was tons better. So it might have been that it got kicked around in the truck or some shit. But yeah, my main complaint is battery life. Me no likey. But you guys can give it a try. See if you like it. Hopefully you do. Just make sure that the little weights here are on there secure, because that's what came off, and it makes it so it doesn't fly right. But that's what shook loose in the first one. And then you'll know not to fly it and it'll get broken. That's why I think it got kicked around in the box in the truck on the way to us. But yeah, I really like this helicopter. I just wish it had a longer battery life. That's a hint to Syma, because I like your helicopter. But anyways, I'll leave all the things you need to know down on the link. And also, they're doing a giveaway. Well, Freebies is doing a giveaway for $30 in toys for all my viewers. All you gotta do is hit the link down below and do as instructed, and they'll be choosing a winner for my subscribers. And now I'll probably have to go charge this and give it back to my son. No, I'm not. I'm really not. I'm really not. I'm probably just going to buy him one of his own. There's a really sweet green one. I might get the green one. I don't know. I haven't decided. I really like the red one. Better idea. I think I'll charge it and go slam into his head. I really like this thing. Alright, guys. Everything you need to know is down below. Have yourself a good day. Like, subscribe, share, but if you don't feel like it, that's fine. I'm an asshole with a helicopter. A super sweet helicopter. I think Tyler's looking for me. I have to go. If you don't feel like subscribing, or sharing, I'll still be here talking in front of this camera to myself as per usual. Again, all the information is down below. Least you can do is sign up for the contest. $30 in toys. I will see you guys later. Deuces.